Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 28th October 2024. In this video, let us evaluate the performance of high liquidity zones generated in the previous report. Even before that, all of you please understand, we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So at our channel homepage, you please click on the tab posts. Some of you might be seeing the tab community. So click on the tab. You get access to our free training course. Here you have a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. You just click on the link. Now we are into the playlist supply demand zone price action course. Here you have all the training lessons are available. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are placed in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided a link to our Telegram channel in this video description. So from the video description, you can find our Telegram channel link and please join at our Telegram channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new video or any other very important updates, we will be providing at our Telegram channel. Okay, now let's get into analysis discussion. The last session we identified only two high liquidity zones from daily and 75 minutes time frame. And one is a 75 minutes high liquidity supply zone, this one. This is a drop at the hidden body. This is going to be a drop candle. And we have 4 base candles and again a drop candle. This is what identified by 75 minutes high liquidity supply zone for Infosys. And this 75 minute zone is fine tuned with 15 minutes time frame. Here we have a 15 minute structure. Can be rally 1, 2, 3 base candles, medium size candle also part of the base, and then you have a drop candle. This is the 15 minutes fine tuned zone. And within this 15 minutes, we need to look for a fine tuned 5 minutes time frame. And here you don't have a proper structure. You have a drop candle, another drop candle, in between no base candles. There are higher chances the zone will be violated. But what happened? Institutions created a new rally base drop, the 5 minute zone. And this one we can plan a trade, and this is just at the type 2 proximal tested and came down. But at the time of testing, again rally base drop has been created here. Rally base drop, and this rally base drop already again picked up the orders from this area and prices came down. All these things happened previously. Because risk is small if anybody, because prices came near to this and came down. But the reason is this rally base drop. And moreover, previously it didn't go, prices just touched the type 2 proximal and came down. But anyway, it is tested, even if it touched the type 2 proximal. So taking second trade on this zone is it's at higher risk. If you feel this may work, if you feel the order flow is strong, there is nothing wrong in trying for a second trade in this area. But otherwise, remember, it is a tested zone. But what happened today in the live market, a new 15 minute zone is created again here. Let me show you. See, this is a ERC candle, failed ERC candle. You can use as a leg-in, and then you have a base candle, and then you have a drop candle. So this is the zone created at 12 o'clock 30 minutes today. So we want to plan a trade in this if there is a retracement into this area. So that's why again I fine tuned in the live market. Here you have, this is I consider as a ERC candle as a leg-in, 3 base candles and a drop candle, and this is the fine tuned 5 minute zone. And if there is any retracement, it looks like there was a retracement, prices reached here, because here there is a 15 minute zone. Let me show you. See, ERC candle and then a base candle and a rally. See, prices entered into this 15 minute zone area. And this 15 minutes order flow again pushed the prices up. I thought prices are entering into this fine-tuned area, but unfortunately, prices did not reach into this fine-tuned area. That way, we didn't get a trade in Infosys. In the dynamic zone, we didn't get a trade. But if you notice closely, somebody is preventing prices entered into fine-tuned area. Who is that somebody? There could be a high liquidity zone in this area. Why high liquidity zone? See here, how sharply prices are coming and again coming down. Again prices are coming here, somebody is pushing. Here in this area, demand and supply is almost equal. That's why they were moving. That means who is actually preventing the prices not going up here? Maybe if you go to 1 minute, you may find a 1 minute high liquidity zone. Go to the 1 minute time frame. See here, you can see this is a rally candle. Why rally? At the hidden body. If you add the hidden body, you will be getting a rally. And maybe these two base candles. Because it is a rally candle, till the higher wick you can draw the zone. See here, prices are entering into this area and again came down. Once again entered into this area, again came down. Once again entered into this area, again prices came down. And once again. And the last time when the prices reached at 2 o'clock 35 minutes candle, after that prices were sharply moved down. This is almost at the end of the market. If anybody noticed this 1 minute high liquidity zone, maybe if you would have, because if at least 2 or 3 times it should be tested, right? This is the first test, this is the second time, and this is the third time. By the time you realize, how you realize, maybe this could be a high liquidity zone. Maybe if you realize you could have taken a trade either in this candle or in this candle, you would have got a good profit today. And 1 minute high liquidity zone. But anyway, we didn't plan because this is only not part of the initial plan and not easy to find such kind of trades. So I haven't considered this. But otherwise this could be like an aggressive trade setup. So I am not calculating any profits because the one I planned is in this area. This fine-tuned 5 minutes area, because of this 1 minute high liquidity zone, we are not able to get this trade. Otherwise it could have been a dynamic trade today. Just narrowly we missed because of this 1 minute high liquidity zone which prevented the prices move up. So that way we missed a very good trade in Infi. Next one is Bank of Baroda. This is a daily high liquidity zone. I remember previously we took a trade in this area, in this candle. See how sharply it moved. Bank of Baroda already explained how I fine-tuned this zone. These are the zones we already fine-tuned. I remember previously we also took a trade in this candle. Because on this day, our software listed when on 22nd, if you look into 23rd analysis video, you might be seeing our trade. But this is today's candle, so we didn't get any trade opportunity in this zone, fine-tuned zone. Why we are planning in this fine-tuned zone? Because previously prices with a small entry buffer only we got the trade. Prices did not reach the fine-tuned area exactly. It's not really tested here. See here, prices came very close. With small entry buffer you would have got the trade. That means order flow is still there. That's why we can plan a trade here. And moreover, you see here institutions created again a 5 minutes drop base rally from here. So the order flow is originated from this zone. So that's why this is the area. Still it is open to plan our trade. But unfortunately today prices didn't enter into this area. I am not explaining how I fine-tuned because already we discussed this on 23rd October video. You please refer how we fine-tuned this zone. So today we did not get any trade from both these zones. So today is not a day for high liquidity zones. Probably some of you might have got the trades from either Nifty or Bank Nifty supply demand zone chain, or maybe bullish or bearish trade setups for monthly, weekly, daily, or hourly income trades. One of these you might have got few trades from your planned. If you planned any trades. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you. Let's all meet again in our next video. Thank you.